Hello, it is Thursday, June the 15th, and I got this today, another Stitch Fix. So let us check it out. Yeah, I think I already told you guys last time I kept the jean shorts that came, that came with the, my last one, so. Okay, got all this paperwork. Okay, this is my same stylist, Rachel. This is number 74, Stitch Fix 74. Everything in this box is, ooh, how did I get a credit? Okay, everything in this box is $301. Buy all the items, you get a 25% discount, which makes it minus $75.25. So the whole box would be $225.75. But then it says on here, promo or other credit, minus $49. Maybe I have a credit, I guess. Okay, yes, I do not have my new glasses on. I was doing a bunch of housework, and when I'm sweaty, those glasses just slide down my face. And I didn't want to have that happen, so I switched to my old glasses. So, there's my bundle. And let's check it out. Where's that paper? Okay, I want to make sure I got that paper. Okay, this first top, I really liked the color of this top. Fortune and Ivy, Trixie Lattice Detail Blouse in blue, $38, but I don't know if it would fit. It looks kind of small. I really love that color. It's kind of got lattice right here. Yeah, blue is my favorite color. This is actually more of a aqua color than what is coming on the camera. So, okay, next. 41 Hawthorne Maury split neck sleeveless blouse in navy. And this is $38. Reasonable. This is, looks like navy blue. Let's see, get all these tags out of the way. I mean, I like it. It's navy blue, kind of dark for this time of year. Now, yeah, there you go. Now you can see the little flowers and stuff. There you go. Nothing exciting about this, but okay. Liverpool Chloe cropped roll cuff jean in indigo. That is $88. I think this is capris, yeah. Ooh, I like stretchy. I like the color. Pockets just plain. Give those a try. I know I've not lost a lot of weight. I'm really trying. I'm back to walking on the treadmill, but man, I wish I could wear all my cute clothes I got. Okay, this is Liverpool Vicky Frey hem denim short in indigo. $68. Kind of looks like the shorts that I already have. I already have some shorts kind of like this. So, I'm not sure about that. And last but not least, cut from the cloth. I read the tag. Where's the other tag? Gidget mid-rise wide hem short in indigo. $69. Now these look shorter. I do like the color. So, I don't know why it's like wide, whatever it said. I don't know. But anyway, that's what I got in my Stitch Fix. So, I'm going to try these on tonight, and then I will let you know what happens. I can't see I'm going to buy everything in this box, although by the looks of them, I do like them. But you know how it is, looking at something and trying it on are two totally different things. And I have found that out many, many times. So I will give these a try, and then I will get back to you and let you know what happens. All right, thanks for watching.